In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to remove password from Word document. Step by step learning. Alright, let's jump on the PC.
Welcome Afghan Word Education Center. Start a video.
So before I start, let me clear one thing. This only work when you know your password. For example, I have a password file here and each time I have to type this password to open this file. Okay. So I want to remove the password production. Okay. So just follow the easy step. First open Microsoft document, then go to File menu. And here click on the Info command. Then going to Protect document, right click here. Then click on Encrypt with password. And here select the password. And press the delete button on the keyboard. Click on OK. Then save your document. I want to close a document. I want to open new document. Now as you can see, that document is now open. So in this way you can. How to removing password from Word document. It's very easy, simple way. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, guys.